Hey everyone, and welcome back to more Karim and my Brook channel. And today, guys, as first thing first, before we begin this video, I want to tell you something. As you're wondering, this is not a YouTube, this is not a gaming video or something that you think crafting or something like this. So I am at the table because today I want to show you how to make some coin tricks. So if you don't know that, coin tricks exist. Yeah, coin tricks exist, guys, and today I'm gonna show you one coin trick that I discovered by myself. So as you see here, this is a coin, but in UAE they use them. The currency in UAE is called dirhams. Of course, you can. So as you see, as one. So this is 5 dirhams. This is the UAE dirhams. We use them, and that's how they look like. There are a lot of them, so not gonna lie. And I have another one, 50 dirhams, and I only have like 50 and 5 dirhams, and that's how 50 dirhams looks like in the UAE money. And that's how they look like. You can also go check them out at Google. How do they look like? Just type in on Google dirhams, the dirham money photo, and they'll show you the everything about dirhams and about UAE money and stuff like that, you know. But today, let's get on with the video without wasting any time. This is a coin. Here we are. Let's go. So I'm gonna teach you a coin trick that is gonna look something like this. Just watch this. Oh, that's a mistake, guys. Let me retry that. Yes, watch. It's here. So the coin will spin like this. Watch it. It'll spin like this, guys. Let me do one last time because I have like to be fast so I can show you the footage of the coin. And here. It fell again. One last time, I promise, guys. I promise. Yes, look here. Yes, here. You see the coin? It's moving. I'm gonna teach you how to make this with your own bare hands. Boom. Perfect, guys. Now let's get in the video, the tutorial. So as you see here, it is a very simple to make. Now let's a very simple trick to make, and here we are. So what do you want to do? The first thing, how to hold it. So the first thing first, you want to learn step 1 on this trick is how to hold the coin. So as you see here, I'm gonna show you. Wait. See here, you want to hold it like this. See here. Oh wait. Here, see this. You want the first thing first. What you want to do is to hold it like this. And well, with your left or right hand, but I recommend you to do it with the left hand. You want to hold it like this. Step 1, and just keep it still like this. That's the first step. Practice that a couple of times, and once you master it and know how to do it, move on to step 2, which is right now. Pause the video if you need to. So right now, the second step, what you want to do is to use your right hand. Once you adjust it with your left hand, see, I'm adjusting it with my left hand. You want to use your right hand. So I recommend you to use your left hand to keep the coin still, and your right hand to hit the coin, and simple, and it can spin. So you know, guys, let's move on to the step 2. What you want to do is to next, once you mastered step 1, keep the coin still with your left hand. You want to use your index finger to make the coin still. Now the next step 2, what you want to do is to use your right hand. You see your middle finger, you want to use it to hit the coin so it can spin. And what you want to do is to hit the coin and like this, but you don't want to hit the coin like something happened. Sorry, guys. My bad. So you want to your step 2 is to use your right hand. Pin it with your index finger. Step 1 with your left hand. Step 2 is to use your right hand to hit the coin and it can spin. You can do that by using your middle finger. Now you want to pay attention too close to me. You want to use here. See that part of the coin? This part of the coin, you want to hit it with your middle finger as hard as you could, so it can spin. Boom! You perform the trick. So, if you hit it in the middle, that's wrong. That's wrong. If you hit it in the middle, it will not spin, and that will be wrong. Instead, you want to hit it like here. See here. You want to hit it here on the sides, on the right side of your coin. So right here, as you see, I can see. You want to hit it kind of here. See here. So here, here. You want to hit it kind of on the edges. You know the here. You want to hit it on this side, so it can spin. And boom, you have performed your trick. So I'm gonna show you on camera how it's gonna look like. Wait, the camera is hard to you know. Wait a minute, guys. So here we are back, guys, and as you see, you don't see my face. My brother is holding. My brother Yazan is holding the. He's holding the camera. Now I'm gonna show you how. I brought a marker to show you where to hit it. So here we are. So the first thing, what you want to do is to pin it down and hold it from the top. Whoa, whoops, daisies. You want to hold it. This coin is so annoying, to be honest. You want to hold it like this. Hold it like this, guys. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna mark it and show you where you should hit it with your middle finger, right hand. You want to hit it.
That was close.
Oh, I am so ridiculous, guys.
That was
just
so close to
the coin. The coins. You know, it keeps.
That almost got lost.
I say so. So right now. This is so annoying, to be honest. These coins are very annoying, to be honest.
How about you
don't
just
know.
use a pencil?
A pencil, it won't mark.
Oh yeah.
See here, guys. So I marked. It keeps going away, guys. I don't think I can do it. So watch this. See here. You want to hit it. You want to hit it right here. You want to hit it right here on the edges with your right hand middle finger, and that's how it's gonna be. This annoying coin. I hate this coin.
You hit my knee.
Sorry.
It's good.
You want to hold it like this, and you want to hit it, and this is the results, guys. Watch the results.
Whoa!
It's gonna be like this.
Whoa.
But you want to find a long surface and hit it the hardest you can. Boom, guys. And guys, thank you, Yazan. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, please like, subscribe, smash the bell and press all so you'll get all my notifications and all my new videos, guys. And bye bye, guys. Thank you, sir.
Don't forget to check out my YouTube videos.
Yeah, he has a channel. What's your channel's name?
Yazan Al Mabruk.
Yes, check him out, Yazan Al Mabruk. This is my brother, guys. He helped me a lot in this video. He helped me a lot in this video to hold the camera and so I can show you guys. And bye bye, guys.
My handles are hurts.